Hey, it's been a while. I know it's been a while. Um, I've actually reached my 5 year mark so far. Um, reached my 5 year mark last month, May 3rd. My hair is growing. Um, it's, I would say it's bra strap length. I would say it's bra strap length now. And this is in a crinkled old braid out. So if I was to straighten it, like wash it basically, and it'll go straight. It's right at bra strap length. So, some things that have been going on. I recently was contemplating taking down my locks and then redoing them to make them smaller. Let me give you a look at my locks. I have not retied the back in probably 2 months. I've done the front, but here's the back. It's been a while, so there's a lot of new growth in there. But yeah, it's been a struggle, and I haven't even. Anyway, back to my story. I was going to, and I've been contemplating so hard about, just taking them out and redoing them, making them smaller, making a better grid. Because back when I did my hair, I didn't really know anything about a grid or anything like that. But then I looked at the process, and it's so long. So then I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just be happy with what I have. I do like my locks. I do. I just sometimes want them thinner, not thinner, but smaller, fuller. I'll say that, fuller. But I mean, I have a little over 200 something. I don't know. It's been a long time since I counted. But yeah, I don't know. Right now, I'm just, I guess, in a funk with my hair. I thought about taking them down, then I decided not to, but now I'm like, I need to do something else. Should I color him? Should I color them? Should I do some hairstyles? I don't know. I rarely ever style it, so I don't know. Anyway, so this is my 5 year update. Not too much to say. Except, I mean, I'm trying to continue to enjoy the journey and hopefully have a little more fun. The grays come out so quick after I dye my hair. It's crazy. But, yeah, I mean, what do you think? Would you if you were me, would you take them down and redo them just to have like a fuller effect by making them smaller? Here's the top. They're not like super big, but they're not like small either. I'm not talking like sister lock small, but maybe like 300 more, 3 to 400. I don't know. Would you do that? Because the takedown process is probably like a month or two. And then to redo them would just be maybe like a day. Well, not a day, but like a week. And then I have to relock them, which would be, a few years again. So, I don't know. What do y'all think I should do next? Should I color it? I don't know a good color. Right now it's just black. And then the ends are like a brown because of me just dyeing the top mainly. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And if you have locks, maybe share your lock story or your lock journey or how long you've been locked. If you tried coloring or combing out your locks, let me know. Thank you for watching.